What's going on, y'all? You already know who it is. It's the Sunshine State Garden. I just wanted y'all to take a look at the garden real quick. It's Friday. Look at these potatoes going out of control. It's about time to get these uprooted. I'm gonna let them stay for a little bit. My wifey says she's gonna probably pull them, but you see the leaves are dying, so that let you know it's about time. Quick shot of the tomatoes, real quick. Tomatoes are going out of control. It's another batch of tomatoes going. Look at this. I'm gonna have to move these tomatoes out. Tomatoes. I'm gonna have to water this. Oh, take a look at the green onions. The green onion's gonna be next to cut. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the green onions. Got plenty of green onions. The scallion, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna have to water these though. But plenty of scallion. Alright, y'all. Just doing a quick update. Tune in this weekend for a full rundown. We're gonna get everything situated, get everything in pots and cleaned up. Alright? We'll holler at y'all.